Welcome back everyone, and if you tuned in, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be making a beat inside Ableton. Yeah man, so I've had a while off making beats, so I'm going to start with a sample, so stay tuned, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing, I'm going to find a nice sample, something nice, a nice mellow sound, preferably something that inspires me. It always makes things a little bit easier when you've had a bit of time off making music. So my first task is to find a nice sample, and then I'm going to make some drums around it. So after a bit of searching, this is the sample that I want to work with. So this is it here. So that's the loop that we're going to be working with. And there I've got the stems for the sample. So now we're going to build some drums around this. So I'm going to add a track. I'm going to add the amount of bars I want. I'm going to hit some notes in. Just going to make a few adjustments. I'm just going to go to the snare, yeah, and then I'll come back and finish the kicks off. I've got two different types of snares for this beat. I'm not going to make the drums too busy, but just adds a little variation inside there. Okay, so let's go back to these kicks. Moving on to the hats, let's add another track, throw some hats in, set the amount of bars again. Yeah, now let's throw some hats in. So after messing around a bit, this is what I've came up with the hat sequence. Okay then, I think that's everything for today. Let me know if you want to see the video on it, how I mix the beat down, yeah. And till the next time.